Let it be here. We will be completing this chapter today. We had some problems left over, numerical problems. So we'll finish them and then we'll start chapter number 3, force and pressure. After this, I'll start. Okay. So question number 8 I am doing now. Question number 8, numerical problem number 8. Question says, calculate the density. You all have the book, page number 36. Page number 36, question number 8. Calculate the density of a solid from the following data. Mass of solid 72 grams. Now, can you see? Maybe your network problem. So you see the video, okay? Please see the book, question number 8. Mass of solid is equal to 72 grams. Initial volume of water in measuring cylinder is 24 ml. Final volume of water in the solid completely immersed in water is 42 ml. So first we will write the information mass. M is equal to 72 grams. We write this first. Then initial volume of water is given 24 ml and final volume is given 42 ml. So I'll just explain to you the case. There is some liquid in a container in measuring cylinder. Initial volume is 25 ml. After putting the solid in it, the level of water will rise. Now the new level of water is becoming 42. What is the volume of the solid? Why there is a rise in the level? Because of the solid being immersed in it. Therefore, volume value will come. You have to subtract 42. Copy it. 42 minus 24. 42 minus 24 will come 18 ml. ml is same as centimeter cube. So 18 centimeter cube we can write. 1 ml is 1 centimeter cube. 1 ml is 1 centimeter cube. So volume value will become 18 centimeter cube. Okay. Then we'll find density. No, density formula we have mass by volume. Density formula is mass upon the volume. Mass is 72 and volume is 18. Answer will come 4. 18 4 the 72, cancel it. So answer is 4 gram per centimeter cube. Yes, good answer. This is answer. 4 gram, mass is in gram, this is centimeter cube. The answer is 4 gram per centimeter cube. So this question number 8 is solved. You are having network problem. Otherwise, can see the board, no? Otherwise, okay, this one is done. Now we are doing question number 9. Those who are having problem in seeing, they will see the video. They will get the video later on. They will see it. And I post now question number 8, and then I'll upload in the YouTube also this video. You will see. Now we are doing question number 9. Question number 9. The mass of an empty density bottle is 21.8 grams. When filled completely with water, it is. Hey, don't disturb, please. Don't say like that. Hello. The mass of an. Yeah, please behave well. No, you people are nice only. I know. The mass of an empty density bottle is. Who is this? The mass of an empty bottle is 21.8 grams. When filled completely with water, it is 41.8 grams. And when filled completely with liquid, it is 40.6 grams. Find the density of the bottle. Find the volume of the density bottle, and second part, the relative density. I am going to mute all. Okay, now the mass of empty bottle is 21.8 grams. When filled completely with water, it is 41.8 grams. So we'll find mass of water first. Right, first mass of water equal to, when it was empty, the bottle was empty, it was 21.8, now it is 41.8. So mass of water is coming 41.8 minus 21.8. The answer is coming 20 grams. So mass formula, we have volume into density. So mass value is 20, volume as it is, density of water is 1. Therefore, V is equal to 20 centimeter cube. Therefore, first answer, volume of density bottle (20 centimeter cube). This is the first part. Now, second part. Second part you have to do is the relative density. Relative density, first we'll find density, therefore at density of, when filled completely with the liquid, no, right? Next one, mass of liquid. Mass of the liquid will be equal to 40.6 minus the empty bottle mass is 21.8. We'll subtract it. 60 minus 8 is 8. 19.8 grams. So this is coming 18.8 grams. Okay, now we'll find density of liquid, that is D is equal to mass by volume, and mass of the liquid we have 18.8 upon volume is volume of the bottle, that is 20. So we'll divide and find the answer in decimals. So the answer will come 0.94 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, relative density value will come. Therefore, RT of liquid will be equal to this value 0.94 divided by density of water, which is 1. Without any unit, you get answer 0.94. So this is the solution for question number 9. This is the answer for question number 9. Okay, first we'll find mass of the water. Then the bottle was empty, the mass was 21.8. When it is filled with water, that is together with water, the bottle mass is given 41.8. If you minus it, you get mass of the water. So mass of the water formula will apply volume into density. Mass value is 20, volume is V, we have to find it, and density of water is 1. We get the volume can be 20 centimeter cube. That is, volume of the liquid is same as the volume of the bottle. So that's why we say volume of density bottle is 20. Now, same way I'll find the mass of the liquid, so 18.8 grams. And the density of liquid will be coming mass by the volume. First we'll find density, then we'll change it to relative density. So this question is done. This last step, density value 0.94, 4 divided by 1, because we are dividing it by the density of water. Density of water value take 1, so answer will remain the same without any unit. So answer is 0.94. 0.94 is answer. Okay. Now we are doing question number 10. Number 10. You must have copied it. Number 10. Those who could not join, or those who are joining it late, they will get the video. From video they can copy it again in their copy. Question number 10 we are doing now. From the following observations, calculate the density and the relative density of a brine solution. So they are given again, mass of the empty density water is 22 grams. Mass of the bottle plus water is 50 grams. Mass of bottle plus brine solution is 54 grams. So this question is a similar type. First we'll be writing mass of empty bottle is given 22 grams. Mass of bottle plus water given 50 grams. Mass of bottle plus brine solution equal to given 54 grams. Therefore, we find mass of water. First, we'll find mass of the water. Mass of the water, how to find? If you minus. Mass of the bottle plus water is 50 and mass of only water is 22. If you minus it, you get mass of water. Plus mass of water plus third one plus brine solution. Brine, B-R-I-N-E, brine. Brine is salt. Salt solution, salt. You will do 50 minus 22, the answer will come 28. 28 grams. Therefore, mass of the water is same as volume. You can write, therefore, volume of bottle, that is D, will also come the same, 28, but unit will be centimeter cube. Mass is equal to volume only for water because the density of water is 1. So we like this answer. Volume of the water is equal to 28. And the mass of the water plus brine solution is 54. Then write mass of brine solution. Then you have to subtract this minus the empty bottle. 54 minus 22. 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 is 2, 32 grams. Then we will find the density of brine. Therefore, first find density. Write the density of brine. Density formula we have mass by volume. Mass is 32 and volume is this value 28. We'll cancel it and get answer in decimal. So you can cancel it 7 times or 8 times. 8 by 7. 8 by 7, when you divide out here, your answer will come 1.14 up to 2 decimal place. This was gram per centimeter cube. This is the value of density of brine. Now we'll find RT, relative density. Therefore, RT of brine is equal to 1.14 divided by density of water. To find relative density, you have to divide by the density of water. So 1.14 divided by 1, answer will be coming 1.14 without unit. That's the answer. This is the solution for question number 10. Please copy. Now we will be doing question number 11. Yes. Question number question answer you have to do yourself, okay? Because there is no numerical here. We have discussed last time, so you have to do it by yourself in your copy. Yeah, we have discussed last time. We discussed all the answers. So now you have to do by yourself. You can take the help of the book and whatever I discussed, you have to write that. Okay. Now we are doing the last question, number 11. Last question, which is question number 11. This question is same as the previous one. Okay, 9, 10, 11 is all similar. The mass of an empty bottle is 30 gram. It is 75 gram when will completely filled with water. Let us first find mass of water. Right, the mass of water. Mass of water will be coming 75 minus 30. Empty bottle mass you have to subtract. 75 minus 30, the answer will come 45 gram. Therefore, immediately we write therefore volume of bottle will be same value. 45 only be like 45, but unit will be centimeter cube. Volume unit is centimeter cube. 45 centimeter. The first answer we got 45 centimeter cube and 45 ml in the book is the same thing. We can write answer is centimeter cube. No harms. It is all the same. The first answer we got. Now we'll find the density. Right, first mass of the liquid. Same way first do right mass of liquid. Mass of liquid. Mass of the liquid will be equal to 65 minus empty bottle. You have to subtract. Empty bottle is 30. You get 35 gram. That is mass of the liquid is getting 35 gram. Mass of the liquid is 35 gram. Therefore, density of liquid D is equal to formula we have mass by the volume. Mass value is 35 and the volume is 45. So 5 sevens are 5 nines are. So 7 by 9. When you divide 7 by 9, your answer will come 0. You have to round off 0.77 will come gram per centimeter cube. That is the answer for the second part. That is the answer for the part B. This is the answer for part A. Now part C, the relative density of liquid, right? RD of liquid is equal to density of the liquid, which is 0.77 divided by density of water, which is 1. Now the answer will come the same, 0.77 without any unit. Without any unit. So this is the answer. Yeah, density of water is 1, no, always. 1 gram in gram, 1 gram per centimeter cube and kg, 1000 kg per meter cube. Yeah. So those who could not join today, so they will get the video for today's lesson. And from next, what you are saying, huh? Second chapter, question answer I did not give, no, I just discussed and I did the problems here. I will not give you the question answers there. So I discussed the answers in the class last time also I discussed. So you have to do yourself. You can take the help of the book also, but you have to do by yourself only. No? That video will come in the same app only. After some time, it will give you notification. Okay, it will come in the same app. Recording is there, no? So then you there only you will see. But it will come after 1 hour or so. Okay, that video will come. Okay, this much is the time for the other class. So today, this much from next time, everybody should come to teach me directly. So I'll inform them. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, boys. No, no, in teach me only. Always. No, other class will be in the Microsoft Teams. This is only for physics. Okay. Other class on Microsoft Teams. Yeah, you go to Microsoft Team. Okay, bye.